Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope are you also fine at home. Now, we, now we will start our class. This period is English, and today we will learn sound kh. Kh. What is this? This is candle. Candle, candle, candle. And look at this. Carrot, 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 carrot. Cat, cat, cat. Clock, clock, clock. Clock, cat, carrot, candle. Come on, let's practice how to write on a sand tray. Go round, stop. Go round, stop. Go round, stop. Now we will start our homework. This is our homework copy and this is our classwork book. Now we will start our homework and open the page number 2. One, two. Now we will start our homework. Go round, stop. Go round, stop. Okay children, you practice at your home and do homework neat and clean. Goodbye.